This is not a clickbait. It is a sick bet. I mean, cause there's no way I could do this to an innocent person. As a matter of fact, someone's husband or a brother to somebody. Why? This opening must not be tolerated on any chess platform, and I propose that they ban it. If you want to know why, see for yourself. Let's try this. The Vanjit opening. Okay, so I can tell that my opponent is a typical Sicilian player. I suppose if I started with pawn to e4, my opponent was still going to respond with c5. So here's how I punish Sicilian players in the Vanjit opening. Instead of playing pawn to e4, going back to the closed Sicilian or something like that, I love placing my knight here. Later on, I'm going to put this knight on f2. I want to play my improved stone wall with the knight on f2. If pawn to d5 is played, I can just take that free pawn, then retreat my knight. So with e6, my opponent wants to play pawn to d5. This is where I go f4. Now the stone wall will be formed. This is a sneaky way of playing the stone wall, you guys. And kind of the Dutch, if you think about it. The knight on f2 is a monster knight. You will see for yourselves. So now I can play knight f3, controlling the e5 square twice. So the plan from here is very simple, you guys. e3, g3, and c3, then d4. This is all I'm thinking about at this point. So I can start with pawn to e3 now. The idea is to go d4, but that can wait. If my opponent plays d4 themselves, I won't mind to let them do that. I won't take. Yep, so now my stone wall is complete, ready to go bishop d3. This is what we call the stone wall pawn structure. Over controlling the e5 square. That's the goal. I don't know why I'm playing so fast. Okay, so I don't know what this knight is doing here, but I don't mind taking like that. Besides, have pawn to g3 anytime I want to. Oh, I can see what my opponent is trying to do. Suppose I play bishop d3, they might even go in with this move, pawn to f5. But another advantage of having your knight on f2 is there's always support for this pawn push. Again, if I want, I can just take, but let me just do this. Ready to take. I'll castle by hand. This is how to play it safe. From the Sicilian to the stone wall. Not so many people know about this. I do this all the time. If I want to punish people. If I want, I can go pawn to g4. Or first, I go h4. I don't care about my dark squad bishop. It's out of the game, but that's the idea. Next, I'm thinking of playing pawn to h4 now. It is so sad that I'm doing this to someone's husband, someone's brother. Oh, my dear Daniel. Pawn to c4 is a weird move. It allows me to play bishop c2. This is where my game is, and that's where I'm going to be attacking with all my teeth. You know what? Let me do this. So I have bishop takes, kind of what I do in the Caro-Kann. With this move, I'm also intending to take on f5, God willing. Or just advance that pawn. I don't even know what I should do next. But if pawn takes, I'll just take on h7, or maybe not take, because I have that and this, but there's that. Okay, so that wasn't going to work. I don't understand what this move is all about, because I can just take to the best of my knowledge. Okay, I see what my opponent is trying to do, but I can just take, right? I can just take. I think I can just take. You still have this move. That was just a free pawn, right? It was. Can I still sacrifice and go check? No, there's no sacrifice there. That won't be a good sacrifice. Okay, so I see what my opponent did previously. By playing the move pawn to e5, they were kind of initiating the clear and sacrifice. This is what we call a clear and sacrifice in chess, paving the way for the other piece to see through, which is the last squad bishop. So that was great by my opponent. I'm thinking of going in with my knight. This is the only thing I can do at the moment. Or I should have occupied this square. I just didn't see a meaningful continuation after that. So now I can attack the rookie. Let's do that. Defended by my bishop. If rook f7, I can even go bishop g6, trying to threaten that. Okay, this is another move I didn't see, but I'm not losing. No need to take, because that would allow black to activate their queen. Still, my king is safe. And I still have a bad bishop. So let's do this. Threaten to capture that rook. So I'm not interested. Okay, that's a clever move, but I guess I can just do this, right? Then take. And then pin that. Can I? No, it's not gonna work. I think let me just take. I'm just up an exchange, if anything. And I'll play queen c2 now. Yep. Defending my knight. I can go queen f5 next. Not a smart move, but it works. So let's give a check now, I guess. I'm just going to take like that, and then take on h6. So let's remove this, yep, and then consider taking. Yeah, I still have a safe position, very safe position. This is when my dark squad bishop will be developed. Okay, this is also a clever move by my opponent. He's making very good moves, I should say. Time to develop my dark squad bishop. Oh, there's no increment. I need to be fast. I don't want to win this by luck. How is my pawn structure? I'm not sure how good it is. There's this move I should have taken. Okay, but do I have something there? Oh, can I do this? Or can I just block everything? Oh, now I'm allowing the knight. Oh, now I'm allowing this. My position is bad, slightly bad now, but I'm surviving. This knight will come here. I'll sacrifice my rook, I don't mind. Yep, this is what I said. I do not mind sacrificing my rook. I don't mind taking as well. My opponent just lost on time, but there's no clear way for black to checkmate me. So that's how you confuse Sicilian players. Just transpose the game back to some kind of the stone wall and the results will tell. But once again, I'm so sad that I had to do that to someone's husband. But that's the idea.